In this Excel tip number 2, we talk about how to keep going if we don't know the relevant commands or relevant way how to work in Excel. The first one is using the commands in tab home, because the tab home is the most relevant option or tab in Excel. And here you can find the most important commands. So this I recommend at first. The second recommendation is using context menu by right clicking. So if I want to change something with cell, I use the right click and then context menu appears, and there you can see some possibilities or some options. If I click here in a sheet, the context menu is changed and I see the relevant options for sheet 1. If I click here, for example, to home, I see another context menu with other options there. The next way how to find relevant Excel commands is using search field. For example, if I want to find something about chart or how to do a chart, I type in chart, and here I can see actions or best action. If I click on this item, Excel create a chart, and it is instead finding this possibility or this command in tabs or in right click. Also you can find the other possibilities. Find document, it replaces the finding or command find for searching the word. And there is a help, so if I click here I can find some relevant information about how to create chart in this kind of description. So you can follow these steps and you will be successful. For example, here there is 3 steps. The first one is select the data you'd like to include in the chart, then go to or select insert and recommended charts, and then select chart on the recommended charts tab to preview the chart. So this is also very useful. The last possibility is using the shortcut F1. So if I click F1, I see the help in the right side of Excel, and then I can type words which I want to search about. So I type in also chart and press enter or return, and then I see the relevant information. It is same as we had in the search tab. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye.